Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk shock absorbers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Loosen the rear wheel studs. Lift the rear of your vehicle. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. To change the back shock absorbers on your vehicle, you need to remove the wheels to gain full access to the suspension system. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. With a socket wrench and a 21mm socket, unscrew the lower holding screw on the shock absorber. Open the trunk. Move the carpet. Remove the foam insulation. Remove the rubber cover from the shock absorber head. Using a 16mm spanner, unscrew the nut holding the upper suspension strut support bearing. If the shock absorber rod rotates with the nut, you need to block the rotation using a socket wrench and a slotted socket or an adjustable spanner. Remove the washer. You can now extract the shock absorber. Remove the lower support bearing. You can use a small crowbar. Remove the upper support bearing.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new shock absorber. Before installing the new shock absorbers, it is necessary to prime them by pressing the shock absorber rod vertically so that the gas and the hydraulic fluid are separated. Unscrew the lock nut on the stem. Remove the upper support bearing. Put the new shock absorber in place using the upper part. Put the upper support bearing and the washer back in place. Start to screw the nut in a little. Then put the lower part into position. Roughly tighten the screw on the shock absorber base. To avoid damaging the silent blocks, make sure to finish tightening the shock absorber's lower fastening screw with the rear axle in the vehicle on the ground position. Lift the rear axle with a jack. Once under pressure, finalize the tightening of the screws using a torque wrench. The final tightening of the top strut mount is done with a torque spanner. Put the rubber cover back on. Put the insulation back in. Replace the carpet. Remove the jack. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels securely. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.